How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays I showcase a particular single section home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Bodark Reimagined. I am back again with a all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, and yes, I am back with an amazing model by the name of the Bodark Reimagined. For my OG subscribers, you know that you've heard of the Bodark before. It was featured back in 2019. Well, you know when we name something reimagined, you know Mr. Tiny has went and added his little twist to it and brought it more up to date with some aesthetic features and options. So that's exactly what we've done today with this Bodark Reimagined here behind me. And if anyone is currently in the market for a single section home and you're wanting to get the most bang for your buck, this one will check the boxes, especially if you're in the market for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. As you'll see, this home is very, very large and very in charge, and it's going to check all of those boxes. With that said, with it being 3-bedroom, 2-bath, it comes in right around 1,365 square feet to be exact. It is 18 feet wide and 78 feet long, and it's on sale today for $127K. $127,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And of course, starting here on the exterior, like we do here at Recreational Resort Cottages, we like to bring some aesthetic appeal and style. Starting here with the reserved white exterior base that you'll see in a vertical pattern. We've added the iron ore color around your trim of your windows, doors, and fascia, as well as the accents that are going to be in a lap siding pattern. You'll see that we have chosen to add 36 by 72 windows, basically going the entire front of the home to give it a balance and a unique characteristic that definitely adds some pizzazz. You'll notice also there are 2 very large tower dormers in this home. One you will see in the living area, another you will see in the bedroom. But of course, guys, the fun does not stop here. I can talk about the outside all day long. Go ahead and follow me inside this home so you can see the great features that it has. And now we are on the interior of the Bodark Reimagined. And yes, this is going to be one that I think you will enjoy and that will not last long here at my retail center. So it's first come, first serve. And any of you OG subscribers that remember the original Bodark OG, the original back in 2019, there were some characteristics on that one that you will see a vast difference from this updated version. Starting with the exterior. Earlier I showed you the exterior of this Bodark Reimagined. If you compare that to the original Bodark OG, you'll notice that the tower dormers we've added on this model, as well as the plethora of windows running down the length of the home, as well as the accents, are very different between the two. And then of course, as you come inside, it doesn't take long to see that there are definitely some unique characteristics on the interior of this home that have been updated and modernized on this Bodark Reimagined as well. Starting here where you'll see we have raised vaulted ceilings going throughout the entire home. That's going to make it feel so open, so airy compared to the original that had 8-foot flat ceilings. So that will be a big difference. Also here in the living area, I had to spice it up a bit, shall I say, and chose to relocate some windows and make some additional arrangements. You'll see here on this main living room wall, we have 3 transom windows that are going to be raised up as far as we could take it to the ceiling, so that allows adequate space down below, giving you flexibility and functionality for this floor plan. As we see that we have it decorated today, this could be your TV wall where you place your TV right here. You still have the beautiful windows up above, and you're able to have the entertainment center of your choice down below. You'll have your couch on the opposite wall, chairs, whatever you want to do. My personal opinion, if this was my place, what I would do is actually have this be my sofa wall, where the windows would be up above. You, of course, have enough space down below for your sofa. I may have a chair or something beside that, or a love seat. And then on this wall would be my TV wall. Why would you do that, Mr. Tiny? Because my view is right here, right across where you have this plethora of windows. And they're not just any windows, they are 36 wide by 72 feet tall windows. And they look amazing. And they're going to bring in a ton of natural light. And then up above them, you see that we have those 36 by 20 transom windows. And where those accents are on the exterior of the home that you saw, that's in this tower dormer, where you see it is a etched out area on your roof line that opened up this floor plan tremendously. And speaking of the floor plan, one thing I love about this floor plan is that it is a split floor plan, giving you privacy if you're the owner. You have your guest rooms to one end, the primary on the opposite. So go ahead and follow me down. This wide hallway, keep in mind this is an 18-foot wide home. Get a look of the beautiful gray planked flooring going throughout the entire home. There is no carpet throughout this home. It is going to be hard surface. We're going to guest bedroom number 1, and you'll see small bedroom, which is great for small children, a nursery. This could be a office space if you choose, but you have a window right here off of the rear side. You have a 3-blade ceiling fan, and then of course you're going to have a closet right here for you to utilize at your convenience. Every room will also come equipped with a large variety of outlets, as well as TV jacks up top, so you have great TV placement. And then right over here next to it, you will have the larger of the 2 guest bedrooms, and this one is going to give you a little bit more space. So this works great as a guest bedroom. You got a window here off of the end of the home, and then of course the closet right here for you. And again, adequate sizes, work very well in this model. And again, the ceiling heights throughout open this up. This bedroom feels so large on the inside because of that continuous vault going throughout. Also, what I love is the fact that this home has the guest bathroom directly convenient to the 2 guest bedrooms. And as you come in, you'll see right here, we have your countertop that's going to be equipped in the black Alicante style and finish. You have your cabinetry down below. You have your trimmed mirror. And then of course we have the tub shower combo that's going to be right here for your convenience. And that gives you the ability, whether you want to take a shower, take a bath, you have the option to do either right in this home. And guys, plenty of space. And then for any of you that want to know, yes, there's a toilet in this model. It's directly behind this door. And you have a linen space up above for additional storage up above your toilet. Now, let's continue down and look, when we come back down, look how open this Bodark Reimagined is. Yes, when Mr. Tiny makes his tweaks, he does it right. Look at this, open. This feels so much larger than 1,300 square feet. I promise you, in person, it walks very well. You'll see with this open flow and contrast from the living area to the kitchen, you are separated by a elevated bar space, where again, we have 2 stools down below, but you could easily double that. And then have enough space here to walk around. For anyone that has potential mobility issues or anything like that, you have tons of space to maneuver as well in the Bodark Reimagined. What I love is, you'll see here, we have the raised bar area. You come down to the lower side, that's where you're going to have your dishwasher here in front, the 2-basin stainless sink right here for you. Does have the detachable sprayer. All of this countertop space, all of this cabinetry. You'll see the stainless steel side-by-side fridge. And of course, this is the updated refrigerator, where you can see before you open what you got in there. So you can sit there, tap on it, look inside. And guys, plenty of space on either side for you. And then of course, all of the cabinetry around. You have a great area for a coffee bar right here to give you some additional space. That's just my personal opinion, because not only do you have this side, you have the opposite side, the cooking side of the kitchen, where you have your built-in microwave. I chose to add that here in the pantry area, because rather than have the microwave over the oven, as we do a lot of times, I figure this, to me, aesthetically just looks better. And then also you have your storage up above. You have your pot and pan drawers down below. Additional countertop space around. You have your drawer bank, 8 drawers, ladies and gentlemen. You have 4 on each side of your oven. And then not only all of this countertop space, because we chose to move the microwave over to the pantry, you get this beautiful chrome Benta hood, making this look so much more modern, especially with the fact that I try to put a window or 2 in wherever I can. So I went ahead, splish splash, threw a couple over there right underneath your cabinets to kind of open this up and provide some additional lighting in here. So tons of prep space with the black Alicante countertops. You have the Daphne white tile on your backsplash, of course, going from the countertops up to the bottom of the cabinets and even surpassing that up to the top of the Vena hood. So a great option, great functionality, tons of counter space for any of you that love to cook. And if you love to cook, you got to have somebody that loves to eat. So follow me right over here. And this is why I love the Bodark Reimagined. It has a designated area for everything. Dining room, perfectly adjacent to the kitchen area, where again, you can put a well-equipped size table right here. You have, again, I kept them 36 by 72 windows going, guys. If you get them in the living room, you get them in the hallway, you're going to get them right here in your dining room too. We got to keep everything even. So you have large windows here to gaze out onto your property while you get a bite to eat. And of course, if those of you that don't like to keep it nice and tidy, you eating, having a nice smorgasbord buffet going on, you may drop something on your nice white suit and it needs to get washed. Well, here in the Bodark Reimagined, we got your laundry area right here. Really quick, really close. You can get to it quick. Side by side, wash machine and dryer area. You have the additional shelving up top for all of your detergents. And then we have your exterior door here, right off the bat. So if you're outside, get dirty on your property, you can come into this door, kick off your boots, kick off your shoes, and not track it through these beautiful floors. Also, behind this door on the opposite side of the utility room, Mr. Tiny gave you a freezer space. So for any of you that like to go to the big box stores and buy in surplus, you can put your another refrigerator in there, a deep freeze, whatever you want to do, the ice chest, whatever you want to call it. You got the area to put it right there. And of course, after you eaten, after you got your clothes washed up, you tired from a long day, it's time to take it in, time to take it to bed. So let's go into the primary bedroom. I think this may do just fine for you. I think this may work out all right. You have enough space in here to put any size bed that you want. Mr. Tiny's doing it, I got to do it right. And just because my name's Mr. Tiny don't mean I don't like to go big on some things. And in here, you can put any size bed. I personally have imagined this to be your bed on this wall here, because as you lay in the bed, say if I wake up in the morning, Mr. Tiny, I'm loving another day to go provide homes for clients. And I look out of my eyes, I'm going to have this view right here, right over to my windows that are, again, yes, you did answer it correctly. 36 by 72 windows right here down below. And again, with your 36 by 20 transom windows up top. So guys, anyone who has a beautiful view or a property that you want to take advantage of, this is the home to do it, because every room has a view that you can bring in. And these windows are doing just that. And with this raised tower dormer, it opens this area up. And of course, you have another 3-blade ceiling fan. They're centered. And because you're in the primary suite, you're the owner here, I'm going to put your bathroom very close by. So go ahead and follow me this way, right from your bedroom into your bathroom. And I'll say bathroom because it definitely does have a bath. And you'll see right here, we're going to have your 72-inch soaker tub right here with all of the black Alicante surrounding it. So you can see a great place for you to put some candles, put a little rose petals sprinkled around. Oh, just me? Okay, but anyways, you also have some Daphne white backsplash in 3 rows running around that. And then for those of you who like to read, you can sit there and have your space for your bookshelf and your additional your soap bomb, bath bombs, and all that stuff. You can put that on there. Your foot scrubbers. I know some of you need to get them calluses off them feet. Feet look like they're gonna scratch me, rip a hole in the covers while you sleep. I ain't talking about nobody specific, I'm just saying. But with that said, you got the area for that. Also, you have the dual sinks right in here. Great area because you again have your 4-drawer bank down below, double cabinets on both sides, large mirror up top, and enough space right here for all of your prep needs. And as we make our way back, yep. For those of you that like the showers, you'll see that you have the sand ivory tile shower here that is going to be from the pan all the way to the ceiling. You have the shower finished out in tile. A great look, great feature, and looks phenomenal. I'm telling you guys, tons of space here. So for those of you like to take a bath, like to take a shower, you can do both right here in the Bodark Reimagined. Also, your toilets right here. Put some large linen cabinets up above for your a nice storage area. And then of course here behind this closet, had to give you the walk-in closet here. And again, it does span all the way down. So you have your shelf and rods here, tons of space down below for your shoes, for your clothes, everything that you need. And guys, I'm telling you, keep in mind, this Bodark Reimagined, guys, what doesn't it have? I'm telling you, it's got everything in here. Now let's keep it flowing back and show you how open this floor plan is. Guys, yes, come from here, take it back into the dining room. I know you forgot you even had one of them, a separate dining area. These days, they're giving you just a little area, a little nook over there to work with. We're giving you a full dining room. And then of course, we bring it back around and then get a great shot of those windows right up front. Yes, so open an area. I'm telling you, in this Bodark Reimagined, you're getting all of this, guys, for $127,000, $127K for 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,365 square feet, 18 wide by 78 foot long home today. So I'm telling you again, it's first come, first serve, because this one will not last long, because this is the most bang for your buck. This is legally the largest single section home that can transport to your property. So this one, you're getting the most out of it, that's for sure. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video tour. If you did, let me know what your favorite feature was of the Bodark Reimagined today. Did I do my thing? Did I do it? Bringing it revamped, reimagined to this Bodark Reimagined. You let me know if you enjoyed it and what your favorite feature was that you would like to see in future homes. Also, if you subscribe, please let me know that you are, and let a friend know they need to do so as well if they're not. If you're first time to the channel, this may be a home that you say, oh, it's too big for me. Well, guys, I do everything from 399 square feet up to over 2,000 square feet. So I've got you. Just stay tuned. Tons more to come. And if you want to contact me directly about purchasing the Bodark Reimagined or any other home you've seen me showcase, you can always contact me directly on Instagram or TikTok at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Bodark Reimagined as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram or TikTok. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. Until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.